I woke up one morning, Christmas morning to be exact. I saw something beautiful, a beautiful bluebird. Here's a beautiful bluebird with the wings of an angel, so peaceful and gracious.
Yo! Yeah, Antoine running this now. Now don't mean to change the flow, but where the is the motherfucking snow? Waiting all July and all September. This is something Mother Nature should have fucking remembered.
We'll dance in the forest naked with mystical creatures. You're a beautiful bluebird.
What's up with this guy? Is he alright? I think his pants are on too tight. Must be so bright I could put on a show. You think I'm joking? Come by. And you'll know. You wanna dance naked with a fucking bird? Man, that's sick.